Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It is Friday the 7th of July. I'm Nigel Croft. In this video we'll be looking at the charts on the US dollar against the Japanese yen. What we'll see is that the downtrend has been broken and that there's solid upside momentum and that the moving averages are about to create golden crosses and should push the dollar higher. So here we are on the daily. So each candle represents one day. You can see today we're pushing higher at 113.73. And you can also see that for the last video I'd drawn a downtrend and we have significantly broken above that downtrend, which is a positive sign. On the moving averages, you can see that we're getting golden crosses being created. The 20 did cross the 200, moving up on about the 3rd of July, which was positive. And we're just getting the 20 crossing the 50-day today, which again is positive. And I can confirm that the 20-day is now above 111.81 against 111.8 on the 50. So they've crossed in a bullish formation known as a golden cross, and that bodes well for the medium term picture. On the RSI, you can see that we're in a solid uptrend and we're reaching new highs on the highs, which is good, shows good upside momentum. And the MACD as well are above zero, with short term above long term, all looking very good. On the weekly picture, again you can see the downtrend drawn. You can also see this picture of lower highs. We haven't quite broken that yet. That will need a move above 114.32. But with the way the moving averages are here are moving as well, that should be a resistance level that is broken shortly. We've got the 20 moving back up and the 200 and the 50 moving upwards. In a few weeks we will get the 50 crossing through the 200 in a bullish formation. RSI is back above 50 at 58 and is in an uptrend, and the MACD are just back to rolling upwards as well. On the 4-hour chart, you can see the solid uptrend line that's in place on this chart as we move higher with the 24-hour moving average. We did get the golden cross on the 20 and the 50. That was on the 15th of June, and the progression has been very solid since. Perhaps if you did draw an uptrend line, we're marginally we're above the mid level of the uptrend line, with the upper boundary at the moment probably about 114.10. RSI, as is often the case, it looks like we're getting a slight non-confirmation on the 4-hour, as it's peaking at presently 65.72, whereas we did peak higher than that on previous peaks. But on the 4-hour it's not much of a concern as it is on the daily. MACD are tracking sideways. So looking at the support resistance levels, we've got that first resistance which marks the boundary of the lower highs. That's at 113.38, 10th of May. And then the second resistance from the 10th of March, 115.51, with supports 112.71 from the 54-hour and 111.80 from the 50-day. So that's been TA for Traders, having a look at the dollar against the Japanese yen. Just to clarify the key points, we've broken the downtrend. The MAV are creating golden crosses. We've got solid upside momentum, and just a slight negative in that the medium term still has lower highs. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you found it useful. Please remember these videos are for information only and should not be taken as investment advice. Thank you.